Hi, my dear friends. I'm so happy to have you here with me again. If this is your first time watching, welcome. Let me introduce myself. I'm Maria from Brazil, but right now I live in New York with my aunt while studying English at a language school. Living here has been an adventure. I've met so many wonderful friends from different countries, and we all share the same goal: to improve our English and feel more confident when speaking. But let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck when trying to speak English? Like, you understand what people are saying, but when it's your turn to talk, the words just don't come out fast enough? Or maybe you hesitate because you're worried about making mistakes. If that sounds like you, trust me, you're not alone. I used to feel the exact same way. But then I discovered a simple trick that changed everything. Today I want to share it with you. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore this together. Who knows? Maybe by the end of this video, you'll have a fun new way to improve your English. The autumn breeze drifted through the windows of our small classroom in Manhattan. Students from different countries sat in a circle, notebooks open, eager to learn. The scent of coffee lingered in the air, adding warmth to the chilly morning. Ms. Harper, our English teacher, smiled at us. All right, today we're going to talk about something that will really help your English: shadowing. I tilted my head. Shadowing? Like following someone around? Ms. Harper chuckled. Not exactly, Maria. Shadowing means listening to spoken English and immediately repeating what you hear, just like an echo. It helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Kenny, a student from Taiwan, scratched his head. So, we just repeat? That sounds easy. Not quite, Ms. Harper said. It's not just about repeating the words. You have to pay attention to how they are said. Listen to the tone, the stress, the melody. Imagine dancing to a song. You don't just follow the steps, you feel the rhythm. That caught my attention. That actually sounds fun. But how do we start? Later that day, I sat across from Ms. Harper, feeling both excited and a little nervous. I heard about something called shadowing. People say it's good for pronunciation. But how do I actually do it? Ms. Harper smiled. Great question, Maria. Shadowing is a fantastic way to improve your fluency. And there are 3 simple ways to do it, depending on what works best for you. I leaned in, curious. 3 ways? Yes, she nodded. The first one is called shadowing on the go. Let's say you're walking to school or doing chores. You listen to an English podcast or a video and repeat what the speaker is saying right after them, even if you're a little behind. It helps you get used to the natural rhythm of English. My eyes lit up. Oh. So I don't have to be perfect, I just have to keep going. Exactly. Ms. Harper grinned. Then there's shadowing with focus. This time you sit down with a short audio clip, play a sentence, pause, then repeat it carefully. This helps you slow things down and really hear how the words are pronounced. I nodded thoughtfully. That sounds like a good way to practice tricky words. Exactly. The last one is shadowing with purpose. This involves setting a specific goal. For example, if you want to improve your pronunciation of certain words, focus on those words. Listen closely, repeat them carefully, and make sure to get them right. Ms. Harper said. I grinned. So I can focus on my weak spots and fix them one by one? You got it. Ms. Harper said. Shadowing isn't just about repeating words. It's about listening, feeling the rhythm, and improving little by little. If you practice every day, you'll notice a big difference. I sat back already thinking about which method I wanted to try first. I think I'll start with shadowing on the go. It sounds fun. Miss Harper laughed. That's the spirit. Just remember the key is consistency. Keep going and you'll be amazed at how much you improve. That night I was determined to give it a try. The next morning as I walked to class, I put in my earbuds and played an English podcast. The speaker said, "The weather is nice today." I repeated immediately, "The weather is nice today." At first I stumbled over words, but I kept going. I wasn't perfect, but I was practicing. Later at home I tried shadowing with focus. I played a short clip, paused after each sentence and repeated it carefully. I even highlighted tricky words in the transcript to help me notice how they were stressed. Then I took it a step further. I recorded myself speaking and compared it to the original audio. At first, hearing my own voice felt strange. But then I noticed something. I was improving. Each time I tried again, I sounded a little smoother. My pronunciation was clearer. My words flowed better. If I can see the words and follow along, it really helps me focus on the tricky parts. I thought with excitement. One evening, my Aunt Clara smiled at me over dinner. "Maria, your English is sounding so much better. You're speaking more smoothly now." I beamed. "Really? I think shadowing is really helping. I feel like I can now understand the lyrics in English songs. Everything makes sense to me now." Clara nodded. "That's the secret. Language is all about rhythm and feeling comfortable with it. Keep going, you're doing amazing." I knew there was still a long way to go, but for the first time I truly believed that I could become fluent. With every step, every repeated sentence, and every small improvement, I was finding my voice. And that, I realized, was the most important part of the journey. What about you? Do you understand English but struggle to speak smoothly? I used to feel the same way. But shadowing changed everything for me. Why not try one of these methods today? Pick a podcast, a song, or even this video, and shadow along with me. Learning English should be fun, full of surprises. So let's keep practicing together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's make English a part of our everyday lives. See you in the next video.